Can you help me?
Of course. What do you need?
Do you speak English?
Yes, I do fluently.
Where do you live?
I live in London.
Oh, so do I. What do you do?
I do job currently.
How much salary has it?
It is around $200.
Oh, that's great.
What time is it?
It is 7 a.m. Are you getting late?
No, I am not. I was just confirming the time.
So let's make conversation.
Of course.
Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have one brother and two sisters.
Can you tell me your brother's name?
My brother first name is John and last name is Liz. Totally is John Liz.
Amazing. What does he do?
And actually, he is a student, but now he makes for himself business.
A student of what?
Student of science.
It is nice thought. Can I ask more questions about your professional life?
Definitely. Ask whatever. Have to ask.
Thanks a lot. What is your first sister's name?
Her name is Strang, to mention here.
No matter, tell me her name.
Okay, her name was Ramana, but my parents changed her name into Alia.
Is she married or single?
Oh, amazing question. No, she is single.
So am I. What is her age?
It is close to 18 to 19.
Well done. What is her favorite color?
Oftentimes, when we go to shopping, she likes red and white colors.
So nice. Where does she like to travel?
She likes to travel Switzerland
Why is she interested to travel Switzerland?
because she loves weather of Swiss.
Has she ever traveled to Switzerland?
Yes, she has 2 times.
What is her plan for future?
Good question. She has been working hard for 2 years in order to bright her future.
What do you think? Will she build her future?
Yes, she will, completely.
Oh, sorry, I am really ashamed of going to your personal life. Let me ask something interesting. Who will be the next president of United States, Kamala Harris or Donald Trump?
Sorry, I can't determine.
Okay, what is your second sister's name?
Simran.
You are thinking, why did I change the topic? Because you weren't interested in politics.
Yes, I was not.
Tell me something new about your second sister.
Why not? So please listen carefully. As I said, that she has different qualities which we haven't. She can spend her life anywhere. She is single yet, but she likes children. She has big heart. If you meet her, you cannot imagine her conversation. She always smiles. She motivates anyone. She works hard. I am very inspired by her.
Oh, great, so am I. Where does she live?
Same, she lives in London.
What is her age?
Approximately, her age is 15. Now, you should tell me your story.
Oh, well, I am Jack. I am businessman. And my English is weak. Can you help me?
Of course, how can I help you?
How can I improve my English easily?
To improve your spoken English, practice with native speakers, for example. Exchange English, friends, teachers. Listen to every conversation carefully, like audiobook, TED Talk, podcasts, and watch English, movies, YouTube videos, TV shows. Record yourself speaking and listen to improve pronunciation. These are the ways that you can improve English easily.
I am very thankful for helping me. How can I serve you?
Doesn't matter, you can ask me about anything. Should I have more questions?
Of course, which kinds of questions?
The question is, I want to start business. For that, I need your help.
Well, question, business is quite easy. But before starting, you must have interested in business. Secondly, you are able to travel anywhere. Thirdly, you must be motivated. These are the tips for starting business.
Oh, thank you so much. It was the greatest conversation and was helpful conversation, and I am glad to meet you.
Me too. Can I get your address or number for meeting?
Sure, this is my home. Address, there you go.
Nice to meet you.
Me too.
See you soon.
God bless you.
So, guys, it was small, conversation and meeting in English. Practice this conversation with your friends. And if you have liked my video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because it will be motivation for me. Because one subscribe, one motivation. Thanks for watching my video.